Hey guys, so for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my May favorites. This is so freaking crazy. I can't believe May is over. Honestly, this month just completely flew by and it's freaking me out. I feel like this year in general is just flying by so freaking fast. Do any of you guys also feel that way? Because it's really starting to freak me out. I just can't believe this month is almost over. I just can't believe the time of it's gonna be May is over now. Freaks me out how fast time flies sometimes. But anyway, like I said before, I am going to be showing you guys my May favorites. And I feel like I have a few more things than I did last time, but at the same time, it's really not that much. I don't know, you guys. I mean, some of the stuff was sent to me, which was really cool and I really appreciated it. And these are the things that they sent to me that I actually really genuinely liked. But yeah, anyway, if you guys want to see my May favorites, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start this off, let's see, should I get like honestly the one makeup thing out of the way? Oh wait, I don't think this really counts for makeup. You know what? I'll count it. I have like 2 makeup products here. The first one, I know I talked about this one in my last favorites video, but I have been using it so much more recently, and I know this is going to be my summer lip product. It is what I am wearing on my lips today. It is the Buxom Holographic Full-On Lip Polish in the shade Savannah. I did not think I was gonna love this color as much as I do, you guys. I have just been using this so much recently. I love the way it makes my lips look. It's just such a good overall lip gloss. I don't know if they really count this as a lip gloss. I count it as lip gloss. I use it as a lip gloss. This color is just so freaking stunning. It makes your lips look so plump and juicy, and that's what I really love about them. I have such a hard time finding really good glosses. They also smell, oh, like some sort of candy. I can't place the candy though, but what is that? It smells like some sort of candy that I would have as a kid, and I can't place it. I'll let you guys know when I finally do. It's been bothering me. I can't figure it out. If any of you guys know what this smells like, please leave it in the comments below, because I'm having a really hard time figuring out what this freaking smell is. But yeah, absolutely, hands down, this one was my favorite one that I got in the package that they sent me. If you're looking to spend a little bit and invest in a really good lip gloss, check out the Buxom lip glosses, or even just these holographic full-on lip polishes. They are outstanding. Feel so nice on the lips. They give you like almost a cooling sensation on the lips, and they don't feel sticky. They feel almost wet, which is something I also really appreciate because I hate sticky lip glosses. I'm just not a gloss girl in general, but for those products, A+ from me. The next makeup product I have to show you guys, I don't even know if this really counts as makeup, but I have no makeup products here, guys, so I'm just gonna put this one as one of them. This is the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm, and this one is in the shade Red Dahlia. You guys, these are my all-time favorite lip balms. They are amazing. They are from the drugstore. They're just so hydrating on the lips, and they just make your lips look so healthy. Any of them do. I have so many of the Burt's Bees lip balms, you guys. They're my absolute favorite. I even got Jake to love them. Not the tinted ones, obviously, but like the other ones, because they just feel so nice and hydrating on the lips, and that is all I ask for in a lip balm. They also last pretty much all day. I never have to reapply. I'll maybe reapply it like one time throughout the day. If you're looking for a really good drugstore lip balm, highly recommend Burt's Bees lip balms. They are outstanding. And this one, it's the exact same formula, it's just tinted, so it gives you a little bit of a reddish tint on the lips, which I also really like on days when I just don't feel like wearing any like lipsticks or lip pencils or lip glosses or anything on my lips that day, and I just want to put on something quick and go out the door. This is what I always reach for. Okay, let's see, what do I want to dive into now? All right. Next product. I have 2 makeup wipes that I really want to share with you guys. The first one is the Pacifica, God, I can't talk today. The Pacifica Rose Water Makeup Removing Wipes with Rose and Coconut Water. I absolutely love these, you guys. These are so good. They smell amazing. I was so worried about the smell because most makeup wipes smell like doo-doo, so I was very worried about the smell of these. They actually do smell like they're infused with rose and coconut water, which I really appreciated. They're also extremely wet. That's all I look for in a good makeup wipe. I need them to be really wet. That's what he said. They're sulfate and paraben free, and this brand is also cruelty free, which is amazing and such a huge plus from them. And it's also used for all skin types. Doesn't matter if you're oily, if you're dry. This will do a great job of taking off all your makeup. This was all I was using when I went on my trip to California, and I loved them. Big A+ from me. The next makeup wipes I wanted to show you guys are the Simple Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover wipes. I have finally found my holy grail makeup wipe, and they are the simple makeup wipes, you guys. The simple ones. They're extremely wet when you take them out of the package, which is what I really appreciate. I like for my makeup wipes to feel like they've been drenched in water because it just feels so nice and cooling on my face, and I feel like it just takes off my makeup so much better that way rather than when I take out a makeup wipe and it's kind of dry. I don't like that. I don't like when they're partly wet. I like when they're full on wet makeup wipes. I have finally found my holy grail makeup wipe. There's nothing better than these. They don't smell like doo-doo. They are great for sensitive skin. They don't burn or sting my eyes, which I really appreciate because I have uber sensitive skin and it's very hard for me to find a makeup wipe that either doesn't A, break me out, or B, sting my eyeballs. I am absolutely loving these right now. I was very excited about those this month. The next product I'm going to show you guys, this was actually sent to me. This is from the brand Sphinx. Once I show you guys this product, you guys are going to be like, what the heck? But this thing is actually so freaking cool. So again, this is from the brand Sphinx, and it's basically a razor, but it's not just a razor. You open this up. This is pretty much good for, say you need to like shave really quick, but you don't have like a sink nearby. This has everything on it. So here's the water for, say you're about to shave your leg and you need to like get some water on your leg so it doesn't burn later. You go ahead and just spritz it with some water here, and then you turn it, and there's the balm. So you go ahead and just put that all over your leg too, and then after that, there's the razor, and then you go ahead and shave, and it comes with an extra razor. You guys, this thing is so freaking cool. I was honestly like, what the heck when they sent me this? I thought it was like the coolest thing ever. It also came with like a little pack here, and they also sent me another Sphinx like this in a different color with more of these, and then they also gave me this pouch for when I want to travel around with these. I'm definitely gonna be taking this with me on my next trip, you guys. This is so cool. I didn't expect to like this as much as I do, but it's just so convenient. It fits right in your purse in case I need a quick shave and I forgot to like shave my underarms or something. This has been great for that, and I have really appreciated it, and I honestly kind of want to buy more of these. I'm not even gonna lie. This is like one of the coolest things I've gotten so far in PR. So yeah, if you guys want to check out this brand, it's called Sphinx, like the cat Sphinx, like the hairless cat. I think that's what they said on their thingy, like they named it after the hairless cat, which is pretty clever. I actually really like that name for this brand. But yeah, if you guys want, I'll go ahead and link them down below. This is not sponsored. I actually genuinely love this product that they sent me, just so you guys know. But yeah, if you guys want to check them out for yourselves, I'm gonna leave it listed down below for you. The next product I'm going to talk about, I had this brand called Gold Mountain Beauty send me a few items to try out, and this one was my all-time favorite that they sent me, and I knew I was gonna love this as soon as I opened it in the package. I had a really good, strong feeling about it. This is the Activated Charcoal Mask with Black Pearl Protein. This brand uses all natural ingredients for all of their products. They are vegan and cruelty-free, which is amazing. This honestly has been doing wonders for my skin. I absolutely love this product. You use it like how you'd use a normal face mask. I like to leave mine on a little later than I should. I leave this on for like 30 minutes. It doesn't sting, it doesn't hurt. I can definitely feel it pulling out some of the guck out of my skin, but that's good. Like, that's how I know it's working. Here's the thing you guys need to realize. If a mask is burning or hurting you, you need to take it off immediately. That doesn't mean it's working, that just means it's agitating your skin. I know a lot of people get like mixed up with that and don't realize that that's what it means. They think it means it's working. It does not mean it's working. It means that it's not working out for your skin. This, when I say that it's like pulling away any of the bacteria in my skin, that's a good thing. Like, that doesn't hurt. You just feel like a little bit of a tight pulling sensation. That means it's working, just so you guys know. But yeah, really like this product. You can find this brand on Amazon. That's how they contacted me anyway. But yeah, was really loving this mask this month. Been using it non-stop. And then the last product I have to show you guys has been doing wonders for my hair. This is from the brand Wow or Color Wow, something like that. And it's the Kale Cocktail Bionic Tonic. It produces 50% less breakage after just one use, which I totally agree with. Honestly, you guys, my hair has been feeling so strong lately, and I do truly think it is because of this product, because I have just noticed such a huge difference in my hair as soon as I started using this bottle. My hair's just been feeling a lot softer. I can tell when I brush it, it's not breaking as much, and I feel like my split ends aren't as bad as they used to be. And for that, this is my new holy grail for that, you guys. This is such a good product. I'm so happy with how my hair hair looks right now. If you guys know, long hair struggles, your hair is constantly falling out, you're constantly shedding, you're constantly breaking the ends of your hair. But I've just noticed that ever since I started using this, that has not been happening as much as it used to, and I'm just really appreciating it, and I'm here for it, you guys. I'm here for this product. And yeah, you guys, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my May favorites. I'm sorry I really just didn't have a ton of products to talk about. I really need to get back on my game with this makeup thing, you guys. God, I can't afford to buy a lot of products right now, you guys, so that's why I haven't really had a lot of makeup products on here lately, unless I've been like sent something and I genuinely liked it. That is the only time you've really seen anything in these May favorites lately, and I apologize for that, but you know how it is. It's the broke girl life. It's broke girl life. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day, wherever you guys may be. I will see you guys in my next video, and remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.